gonna open both of them, see how it runs. Look pretty good, as you can see here. Okay, it runs smoothly, no noise. Okay, so we're gonna open both of them, see how it runs. Look pretty good, as you can see here. Okay, it runs smoothly, no noise. Okay, we're gonna open both of them. And I recommend people using the garage door Pro Loop. Do it once a year and help your garage run smooth. Vì bảo chất tới we are tăng mà so maintain your house using this. Pro Loop looping my garage here. So you want to make sure your garage is run smoothly. Loop the wheel here also, and the spring. Okay, so maintain it, looks good. So you want to spray here and the wheel here, right there. Okay. So once a year, so and you buy this at Home Depot. So it releases the spring. So your garage runs smoothly, but okay. Do some spring here. So that's help a lot. Well, let's test out the garage. So as you can see, you don't hear any noise. The garage running out smoothly. So I'm gonna open both of them, see how it runs. As you can see here, it runs smoothly, no noise. Okay, close it back up. Look pretty good. Okay. And I just have one car inside here. So the grass running down smoothly, so